Hey friends, Tux here. I get questions every now and then about what do you guys use for video editing, and I just recently had to redo one of our Alienware computers, and so I went ahead and ordered a brand new copy here of what I use. And what it is Sony Vegas, okay? And let me just show you, this is how it comes from Amazon. I will have links right below for you too, okay? And there probably is cheaper answers out there for doing editing, but I really like this program. I've been using Sony Vegas now for, God, about, I want to say like 20 years. It's been a long time, all right? And right now Vegas is up to number 22, okay? Now Vegas is something that you can get both as a subscription service and a hard copy, but I would recommend getting the hard copy. And the reason why is a monthly subscription to Vegas is going to run you about 20 bucks, okay? And that will include upgrades. Now Vegas, if you buy a hard copy like this, you get 2 licenses instead of 1, and it runs about 200 bucks. But there is more expensive packages out there, so be wary. Vegas could run anywhere from like probably the low end, like 200 bucks, to high end about $500-600 for the software, okay? And the thing is, you want to make sure you get one, and you have one that you can install maybe on more than one computer. Maybe that's priority for you, maybe it's not. But I do like having a hard copy, and the reason why is I have done the subscription service for Vegas before as well, and with the $20 a month, it does work pretty good. Or there is a slight discount for doing it for a year, but the discount really isn't that much. And the fact that this can run for pretty much ever, until you want to upgrade to a newer version, is a big benefit. It's much cheaper over the long run because you really don't have to upgrade every year. I'd say every few years you could upgrade to the next Vegas. It's kind of like a cell phone. Maybe some people upgrade on every iPhone, every Samsung, whatever. And other people like me sometimes will skip a generation. In fact, right now I'm using Sony Xperia 1 Mark V for, over a year now, So sometimes it's fun to skip just because the features aren't, that huge. Like the Samsung, 22 to 23, for me wasn't that much of a jump, so I don't necessarily buy every one. And Vegas is kind of the same way. You can look at the benefits of the new one, decide if it's worth upgrading or not, but the fact of not having a monthly fee to me is a pretty good thing. Now, when you buy it this way from Amazon, it does come with an actual disc, okay? So here's the thing. Even in the manual itself here, it's going to tell you to download it from the website, okay? So it's the thing where this is a few languages, of course, and it will tell you right there. Let me show you. Under English, it's like, go here and download, Oops, let's try English instead of French. But yeah, so let's see here. Dutch. Here we go. One more. All right, so yeah, so right here, page 1 of English, it says go to the website and download it, okay? So it's the type of thing where you really don't have to have a drive. Now, a lot of computers these days don't have DVD drives or whatever, and you can pick these up incredibly cheap, like about 20 bucks, So sometimes I'll just buy one, and maybe I'll lose it somewhere around the house, and I'll just buy another one. They're almost disposable at this point, okay? But that way, at least if you want to, and I guess I should show this real quick too, if you want to, you always have that option of actually installing it off hard copy instead of installing it, from the actual download. And Vegas, one thing I'll say negative about Sony Vegas, this is plugs in your computer and then the DVD to stick in here, okay? So very simple. I'm sure you guys know how to use a DVD drive, but it's nice to have that option. And again, what I was just starting to say is I have experienced one thing negative about Vegas I definitely want to share with you guys is that out of all the software I've ever had the privilege of using, owning, whatever, Vegas is one of the trickiest ones when it comes to their DRM, okay? It is a pain in the butt sometimes. So if you're having problems downloading, off the website, like it's saying you have to, there's a serial number, there's an activation number, there's only so many computers you can install it on. Usually that's 1 if you're downloading it, through a subscription service. It's a pain in the butt, so you have to deactivate it off one computer and add it to another. And I'm sure you've had that before with like Norton's or, different software applications. But with Vegas, I find it particularly annoying because it'll be like the same computer, same name, nothing's changed. And all of a sudden it wants you to re-download it. And then when you re-download it, it says, oops, you already have this installed. You can't install it again.